Hello, OpenBoxes users. Let's talk about consumption report. So consumption report tells us how much of what product was consumed by the facilities that we provide to, and it is a great tool to turn to before we're ordering our products. That way we're ordering the right amount, we're not over ordering or under ordering. So let's take a look of how to access the report. So for that, you can go to reporting. Under transaction reports, we can go to consumption report. So the consumption report to run, we have to enter some of the parameters or data. So here the origin is Central Medical Stores by default because we are in CMS. And we just want to set the time frame. So if you are looking for, let's say, how much was consumed for starting from March to May, so that gives us a duration of 2 months. If you want to have a duration of 6 months, you can set that appropriate time frame. And here we can add additional filtering options. So if you only are interested in a specific category because you are ordering only for a specific category right now, we can do that. So let's say we want to order lab supplies. So then we can just select lab supplies. Within the lab supplies, if you are only looking for a specific items tagged with a specific tag, you can do that as well. I'm going to leave that blank for now. And if you're only interested to see how much was consumed by a specific destination or specific destinations, you can select the destinations. If you leave it blank, it will show it for all of the destinations, meaning the requesting facilities. And here, let's run it by HTML first, meaning on OpenBoxes page itself. And then once we confirm that we have all the information, we can download it as CSV. All right. So here we can see all the destinations were selected automatically because we left it blank. And here we have some data. So we have the product code, the product. Again, you can go to the product electronic stock card by clicking on the hyperlink. We also have the unit price. And here is the consumption data. So for suture, 12 were issued for the time frame of 2 months between March and May. The consumed column is the same as issued column right here. So we can just ignore the consumed column. Returned, this is how much of these items were returned. So that is subtracted from the total consumption. So this is also one of the reasons why it is important to record returns from facilities into OpenBoxes, not only for good inventory data, but also for good data for forecasting and analysis as well. So since none was returned, our total consumption remains 12. And the total consumption value is also here. So the monthly consumption is 5 per month. And this is our current quantity on hand for this product. So the months remaining is how many months of this product do we have based on this consumption data, which is quantity on hand divided by our monthly consumption, giving us 65. We can also see that there are 1 month remaining here. So maybe this is a product that we should order when we're ordering this time. So it looks like catheter 3,098 were consumed. And we only have 958. So we might consider ordering that before the next requisition comes in or before the ordering facility puts their request. So that's a good way to look at this report to see how many months are remaining. But also we do not want to just take this data as the ultimate truth, because sometimes some transactions may have been missing from OpenBoxes, or you might want to do your own calculations. So this is a good baseline to start your analysis. We can also download the CSV file. Just under render options, select CSV and run the report. Okay, so the CSV version gives us a little more information. We have our product code, product name, family. We also have categories. So if you want to filter by a specific category, we can do that. Let's filter by lab supplies. Tags, if the products have any tags on them, that will be displayed. Again, the unit price, the quantity issued, quantity consumed. If any were returned, that will display here, and the total consumption, the value of the total consumed, and also the average monthly consumption, quantity on hand, and months remaining. The additional data displayed here is how much was consumed per month based on your time frame. So it looks like on March, 120 of this item was consumed. On April, 100 was consumed. None was consumed on May. And it also shows us which facility consumed how much. So it looks like DCFH consumed 10 of this product and RFA consumed 100. So here it gives us an idea of who is consuming how much during what month. So if you feel like some facility has consumed more than you think they would, that's a good place to maybe start looking at how or why that happened, or if that's the new normal, or that was a one-off, so that you have better forecasting idea. And then there are some more facilities all the way to the end. So that's our consumption report. Thank you for watching.